Have you ever come home from a vacation and thought, that was nice, but I need a vacation from my vacation? If that sounds familiar, you're not doing travel wrong. You're just traveling like your life hasn't changed. And it has. There's a quiet shift that happens for a lot of empty nesters. It sneaks up on you. It's not about age. It's not about money. It's about energy. Earlier in life, vacations were about maximizing time. You tried to see everything. You packed the schedule from 6 a.m. till midnight, 7 days in a row. You wanted stories to bring home. And that made sense then. Now, something else starts to matter more. How you feel while you're actually there. Many empty nesters reach a point where rest becomes productive, where quiet feels valuable, where too many decisions feel heavy instead of exciting. This is where travel expectations start to change. You may notice this first on land trips. You plan too much, you rush from place to place, you feel pressure to make every day count. Then you get home and you're tired. Cruising has the potential to remove a lot of that pressure, not because it adds more, but because it takes things away. You don't have to decide where to eat every night. You don't have to navigate transportation every morning. You don't have to constantly ask what's next. That mental quiet is what many empty nesters are actually craving. So here's the key difference. Entertainment fills time. Restoration refills you. Some cruises are designed to entertain nonstop. Others are designed to let you breathe. When couples say, this cruise just didn't feel right, this is usually why. They're not wrong, they just crossed an invisible line in their priorities. Once you recognize this shift, travel decisions become clearer. You stop chasing value, you start protecting energy. Now, in the next video, I'm going to talk about what empty nesters actually value on a cruise once that shift happens, and why so many things that used to matter quietly just fall away. Until next time, happy cruising.